Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide mutual friends on Facebook app. If you don't want others to see your mutual friends, you can easily hide friends from your mutual friend list. Just follow the steps and you will be able to do it. Open up the Facebook application and make sure you are logged in. Then tap on your profile picture, scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. In the sub menu, select this settings, scroll down and find this your activity and tap on this activity log. And now in these options tap on this connections and click on this manage friends. And now tap on this filters. And when you are here, tap on this filters, tap on this categories. Now tap on this your friends. Now you will see a list of your friends. Now click on these three dots next to it. From the appeared menu, a menu will pop up. Tap on hide from timeline. By hiding this activity from timeline, it disappears from your mutual friends list too. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.